Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be talking about Gradual self-tanners specifically for the face that are actually worth your money. I have 5 facial self-tanners that I've compiled here that I'm going to be talking about. I've tried quite a few self-tanners in my day, and I've been able to throw some Gradual self-tanners into the mix and try them out on camera with you guys, and also continue to try them out not on camera with you guys. So these are ones that I've tried, I have really enjoyed, and I've continued to use since trying. So I thought it would be fun for my Gradual self-tanner lovers out there. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week, you guys. Please make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see my facial Gradual self-tanner loves, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, like I said, we have 5 self-tanners here. I am just going to be picking a random one that I see and just letting you know why I think it's worth the money, why I love it, just all that fun stuff that we normally do. So we'll just jump right in. Like I said, no particular order, and if I don't list pricing like in the video verbally, everything is in the description box in the video for you guys. So yes, okay, first one is actually a contour stick. I've talked about this quite a few times on my channel. This specific one is the Sunnee BAEskin BAEside Sea Sculpt Self Tanner. You can also do the Dolce Glow Face Sculpting Self Tanner. Both have the same idea of what they're gonna do for your face. I'm obsessed with this, you guys. Anytime I put self tanner on, like on my Thursday self-tanning day, I pretty much always grab for this and I give myself a little contour because I think it gives you the most natural, subtle, yet beautifully contoured out look. Again, this is a product that you could build up, so you could do it over a few days if you want the result to be darker and darker and darker. So I would say that this is a gradual color that you're getting, but if you do one coat, you get a very subtle, just very beautiful, like I said, chiseled out look, but it's so natural. Like you could never tell that you have like self-tanner contouring your face. It looks very much like it's your own facial contours. So I am just obsessed with it. I feel like it's very user-friendly. All you do is like twist this cap. I don't want to touch it right now because I'm kind of messy, but you untwist the cap, you just swipe it onto your face wherever you want to contour, and then you take like a sponge or a brush or something and just blend it in and let it do its thing overnight, and then the next day you get the perfectly subtle contoured look. It is just such a good one, and I am obsessed. Like I keep telling everybody about this now because it's such a good product. I just love it. So next, we have a Bali Body product. I've talked about this about 1,000 times on my channel, and I'm never gonna stop if I'm being honest. This is the Bali Body Gradual Face Tan Hydrating Cream. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried this, it is amazing. I love the packaging, first of all. Like it's very like luxe skincare moisturizer looking, and then when you want to disperse the product, all you do is push down on the top and the product comes out of the top of it. You just scoop it up and then apply to your face like you would a moisturizer, and it looks so good every time. For being a Gradual self-tanner, every time I put this on, I'm so pleasantly surprised at how much color I get from this. Like every single time I'm like, wow, that was a lot more color than I would have imagined getting, and it looks so good every time. You get this beautiful, just like golden natural tan. It doesn't settle into any places it's not supposed to. It feels very hydrating. It looks stunning every single time. I just know every time I go to put this on that I'm gonna get the perfect tan. And this is one that you can use in between other facial self-tanners. Like if you use a darker facial self-tanner, you could use this on like the days where you're feeling like it's getting a little bit light or it's fading to upkeep that color, and it's so good for that too. I just love this so much. I've been using it for years now and I just can't get enough. So highly recommend. Next is the Tanologist Hydrating and Brightening Self-Tan Facial Mist for a brighter skin and a gradual glow. In my opinion, this is one of the darkest ones of the bunch for being a Gradual self-tanner. I was actually so surprised because every time I hear Gradual self-tanner for a product I'm trying, I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna get like my hopes up too high. I'm not gonna expect too much out of it. I have a feeling it's just gonna be like a very subtle color, even when I want a lot. So that's just what my expectation is. But when I apply this, especially the first time when I applied this and I saw what it looked like, I was like, oh, that is dark. Darker than I expected, but in such a good way, you guys. Like, this is such a good self-tanner. Like, it's not gonna get you like an ultra dark result by any means, but you do get some serious color from this. So I would say if you're looking for something very much like on the super subtle light side, maybe this one won't be for you. But if you want one that you can build up throughout the week, that's still gonna look natural and beautiful, but that's still initially gonna give you a really good color, this is it. And Tanologist, the pricing is so good with Tanologist. Like, their prices are so fair and affordable, so I feel like this is just such a good one for so many people. And the packaging is so cute. I love this like greenish bottle. It's just very unique and different, and I really like it. I love the mister. This one is a mist, so you don't have to touch your face at any point, which is another just plus. It's the only mist that I have in the bunch, surprisingly. But you literally just spritz and it goes onto your face perfectly, and then you're good to go. So this is the quickest, laziest girl one, and that's also why I love it so much, because I love anything that I can be super quick and lazy with. So highly, highly recommend. And then next is another Tanologist. I didn't realize both of these were, but we will take it. It's the Daily Glow Face Lotion. It's a Gradual tan. I am obsessed with this, you guys. This is another one. I don't know what Tanologist is putting in their stuff, but I would say both of these two products are my darkest of the 5 that I have in here. This one also, for being a Gradual self-tanner, got me so much more color than I was expecting. Like, again, I heard Gradual self-tanner and I was like, okay, I guess I won't see that much color, but we'll see what it does for me. And then the next day I woke up and I was like, that's a lot of color, but in the best way. Again, like, this looks so good every single time. For being one that gives you more color, it still looks so natural. Like, it literally looks like my skin, but better. And I was like out in the sun, laying out for I don't even know how long. Like, it just looks so good every single time. Doesn't do anything weird to my skin. It's just very, very natural looking, and it feels so good. I love this packaging. Like, this is like one of my favorite colors, this like baby pink. So I just love looking at it, first of all. I love this pump. You just pump the product out onto your hands and apply it like you would a moisturizer. I just love everything about this packaging. The way that the product feels, the way that the product looks, just everything that this does is so good. And again, Tanologist pricing, you literally cannot beat it. So I highly recommend. And it has the skincare in it too. It's dermatologist approved, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, all the good things. I just love it. It gives you a very nice like golden tan to your skin as well. So obsessed, love it. And then the last product I have is a little bit on the pricier side, and it's a newer product to me, but I am so obsessed with it already that I just needed to include it in this video. It's the new Salty Face Tanning Moisturizer, Gradual Self Tan for the face. I just recently tried this, and it is all I think about. I've used it multiple times since trying it, and I am just in love, you guys. Like, this is such a good one. I wish I could like pump this out through the screen and just have you put it on your face just to see how it feels. This is unlike anything. Like, this is the priciest one, like I said, out of all of these. I want to say it's like, I can't even remember, and I just tried it. I think it's like 42 or 48 or something. It'll be linked regardless, but it's in the 40s, so it's up there in price, but it is so worth it. Like I said in my original video, this is one that I genuinely would see myself using daily as my skincare, and I have used it multiple times just because I love the way it made my skin feel. Obviously, I love the added benefit of the color that it gives me, but just the way it makes my skin feel is unmatched. Like, I haven't had another facial self-tanner do that for me, so I'm obsessed with this product. It literally feels like silk on my skin. It just feels so hydrated, taken care of, moisturized, just so good after applying this. And I felt like this was a very, like, not very, very subtle, but it was more on the subtle side in terms of color. I could definitely tell the difference in the color that I got, but it was definitely more on the subtle side out of the 5 that I have here. So if you're looking for something that's gonna give you like that slight color, but obviously have that skincare aspect to it too, this is gonna be it for you. I think this is 1000% worth the higher price tag because it's just such a good product. I love the pump on it. I love, again, just everything about it. The results are beautiful. And because this is a product I would genuinely use like every day, I'm glad that it's a little bit more slight in the color payoff because I can use it more often to get more of that result. I'm just obsessed, you guys. Like, this is one you just have to try for yourselves. Obviously, everyone's skin is different, but if you had to ask me, I am literally obsessed with this right now. So, highly recommend. But that is it, you guys. That's all 5 products. Gradual self tanners for the face that I recommend. All loves of mine, all that I've used and abused multiple times, and I'm just super happy with. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know what else you want me to try for you. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.